Alright guys, this is day 55 of me posting every single day until I become a software engineer. I finished the SQL course the other day on boot.dev, and now we're going to build a blog aggregator in Go. So yeah, let's get right into it. I'm going to build an RSS feed aggregator in Go. Call it Gator, because aggregator. Select tool allows users to Postgres, follow RSS feeds. A web feed that allows users and applications to access updates to website and standard. So, okay, I've never seen one of these before, but just using SQL because the query mining database using SQL and Goose. Database migration tool. Interesting. So you set up, you both the Go tool chain, but the CLI instructions. We already have those. Run the CLI commands. Right. Oh, we also probably should create a repo for this. Calling it Gator. I'm just gonna call it blog aggregator. Maybe I should just call it Gator because that's probably what I'm gonna. I hate naming things, man. Names are so hard. I'm just gonna call it Gator. That's a really weird feature, by the way, that jumpstart with Copilot thing on creating a new repo. It's like everything's supposed to be AI now. It's so weird. And readme.md. SWE origin master. Gator is a multi-user CLI application. There's no server in the database. It's only intended for local use. Just like games in the 90s and early 2000s, that doesn't mean we can't have multiplayer functionality on a single device. A single JSON file to keep track of two things: who's currently logged in, the connection credentials for the Postgres database. Object file should have this structure when printified. The database here will only current username. There's no user-based authentication for this app. If someone has database credentials, they can act as any user. We'll cover auth and other courses. We want to focus on SQL, CLIs, and long-running services from product. Manually create a config file in your home directory with the following content. Okay. Gator config.json. Wait. I probably shouldn't do it like this. Well, it probably doesn't matter. I'm not sure what I'm doing now. Config.json. URL Postgres / example. Don't worry about current username, always set by the application. Initialize a new Go module. Now determine module path for source directory. Do I not know how to use this command? It's a new Go mod file. Maybe it's because I didn't create a Go file yet. Static Go path, module path must be specified. Yeah, how did I do this in the past? I don't even remember. Is that you? I guess. Dude, I want it back. What? How do you do this again? Go. How do you? Oh my god. Control R. And typing. Oh, it's Control R to continue to shift between. Control R. Go. Okay, I need mod as well. Oh. Okay, so yeah, I do need to find the module path. Xiaomi Gator. Alright, that's what we needed. Here, did that create the internal and internal config directories to contain the config internal package. So make directory internal, make directory internal /config. Can I bring to the side Mac? Like, what the hell? What is that? What? Why did that just happen? Can I get that back? God, I hate this operating system. Where the hell did it go? Yeah, I just want to... What the hell? Try it. Use my mouse for this. I don't know why that is not working. So I'll just use Raycast because Raycast works better than Mac's own operating system. Okay. Okay, now this thing is being funky. Now I can't see. Okay. Okay, we initialize the module, we've made the directories. Okay. This package had the following functionality: export it to main package can use it. Export a config struct that represents the JSON file structure, including struct tags. So, config. Guess we do something like config.go. I'm gonna create a new type, config, struct. I have a db underscore URL. It is a string. A current underscore user underscore name is also a string. Okay, I probably should use VS Code because VS Code actually has my LSP. Like, oh, I opened the wrong folder now. Okay. Okay, yeah, we need a package. Is it the config package? Yeah, I think it's config, right? Is that how you're supposed to define a struct? Oh. Okay. Yeah, that's what we wanted. Export a config struct. Export a read function that reads a JSON file found at Gator config. JSON returns config struct. Okay, read.go, package config, function, read. Should read the file from the home directory, then decode the JSON string into a new config struct. Use os.user home directory to get location of home. Oh, that's okay. This is in the wrong location. Yeah, that's supposed to be in my home directory. So I need to copy. To here, actually. I'm going to use this. What the hell? Where is God? Here it is. os.user home directory. Returns the current user's home directory, so it returns a string and error. Underscore directory underscore path. I think you're supposed to use camel case and go, aren't you? And the code JSON string. So it says you should read the Gator config file. So how do you read file and go? os.read file. Reads into a byte slice. Okay. So config content is equal to os.read file. The home directory path. Plus .gator config.json. Undefined. Oh. I don't even know what home directory path is doing right now. Okay, can we run this file, or is that impossible? Package command line arguments is not a main package. Yeah, figured this might happen because it's not in the main package. Okay, are there any examples in the docs? Isn't there a website like Go by Example or something? Okay, Google is claiming that the slash is not added. Okay, so if error is not equal to nil, I guess log fatal error. Then we need to decode the JSON string to a new config struct. So we need to decode. It says read from IO reader. What does read file return? Do we need to typecast this to an IO reader? Or can we just use the byte slice? I thought there was a way to do this with a byte slice, not with decoding it. Yeah, unmarshalling. Yeah, I think this is what we need. Yeah, we need to unmarshal into the struct. That's what we need. Errors equal to JSON dot unmarshal the config content into config struct equal to config, right? Config struct. Log.fatal. Error is not equal to nil. That's probably a better way to define it, right? Create a slice of don't know if that's necessary. Let's have any exported fields. So are we supposed to capitalize them? Okay. This is probably gonna take me a while. It's already 25 minutes in this video. I will see you guys in the next one. I'm gonna keep on working on this. I have some other stuff to do today, but yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one.